When it comes to the life of your vehicle, a little maintenance goes a long way. So today on Hyundai Helpers, Crouton is going to help us out with some basic vehicle upkeep. Look for your vehicle's tire pressure info on the inside of the driver's side door. You can use a tire pressure gauge to determine how much air is needed. Then fill up your tires to the desired amount. Make sure to double check the tire pressure again when you're done. Now, pop open that hood and check to see if your wiper fluid and coolant levels are full. If they're not, each receptacle should have a line denoting how much is needed. Most vehicles require oil changes every 3,000 to 7,500 miles, but it's still good to occasionally check your oil levels. First, remove the oil dipstick and wipe it clean. Reinsert and remove it again to see your car's oil level. Make sure you fall within the markings denoted on the dipstick. If you don't, you may be up for an oil change. If your windshield wipers are leaving streaks, try wiping them down to remove all dirt and debris. If they're still streaking, it's time for new wipers. Sorry, bud, you still can't drive. Not after what you did in the house. Boom, a few basic ways to maintain your car. For more tips from our helpers, be sure to hit the subscribe button.